Yeah, it's not bad under the underside, huh? Hey, it's Jason. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. Today, we're going on a cool adventure, kind of about 20 minutes away from the building to look at a 1950s Trailmobile trailer. This would have been hooked up to tractors, a tractor and trailer, right? The tractor pulls it, the trailer came along in the 50s, and it just has a very iconic design. These were very sturdy trailers. I think they're more kind of a bubbly look in the front. They're kind of rounded, almost like what you would see with an Airstream. They were made of metal with wood floor and wood sides inside and a metal roof, and supposedly they were one of the most durable trailers of the 1950s. I just think this would be a super groovy and retro looking trailer to have at the building, not to tow with. In fact, I would have no truck that could physically tow it. I believe it's a 40-foot or so trailer that hooks to a tractor. So what's the deal on this trailer? It's at some bulk plant farm. Not really sure what the details are. It looks pretty grimy inside. The tires hold air, but they're cracked. We think maybe it would be good enough to get it to the destination. So what I need to look at today is how bad is the rust and rot on the floor and the sides, and could it even be used for storage? So I'm about 5 minutes away right now, and it's kind of funny. I'm going through the village of two taverns. So what, did it have two taverns and that's what it was known for? We're going to turn down here on the road, and we will be there momentarily. There she is, in all her glory. Okay, so I just got done looking at it, and it's super cool looking. I think it has a really cool story. It actually was primarily based in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. It's at a big agricultural farm here. They have over 1,000 acres, and they do cattle and crops and all kinds of stuff. And they bought it with the intent to restore it, and never really got around to it. They have quite a few projects on the books. My concern is I'm not a welder, and where the sheet metal meets the cross members, it's all kind of corroded and rusty, but it is dry inside, and the door on the back does not completely shut. However, this is a very unique trailer, and if I could figure out how to get it to the building, the price of this is pretty inexpensive. I mean, we're talking a couple, or maybe $350, $400. They don't want to scrap it because it means something to them and has a lot of look and feel and cool history. So if I could just get it to the building and park it, over time, maybe I could get it sewed up on the side and do something with it. So let me know in the comments. That's the 1950s era Trailmobile tractor. Let me know what you think. We're not even sure how we'll get it to the building. I thought a normal tractor could hook to it, but he's saying that like it may not be able to. But let me know what you think in the comments, and let me know if you think I should do this. Maybe I will. I don't know. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is just one of many adventures we do. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.